YouTube land. This video, I'm going to be changing out my rear master cylinder. I got this one from Maddie off of eBay. Got it off of eBay. I think it was like 12 bucks. Let y'all see it. I hear a lot of people say not to get them and all that stuff. I'm gonna give it a try and see just how it holds up. I think the one that's on here is a Chinese one, but if it gets me through the summer, I think it's 12 bucks well spent. So and then the bushing kit for my A-arms. I can't see the name of it, but I got this off of eBay as well. So I was working on it last weekend after I rode it. Took the wheels off. It's not my ball joints that's moving. All the bushings on the shocks and the A-arms are just toast. So yeah, we're gonna get this knocked out, and hopefully it all goes smooth. And trying out a couple of different presets for shop footage, try to see if I can get those lines to go away, messing with the shutter rate and all that, and the ISO. So well, I guess that covers that part of it. Don't you hate it when you blank? I'll probably edit that out, but all right, we're gonna get right to it. All right, getting set up here. I'm gonna start with my bushings first. So I'm gonna take the old Milwaukee to it and get my tires off of it and get ready to take these A-arms off and change these bushings out. So I'm gonna try out the medium mod from a shop video, see if that picks up my voice a little bit better. The wind slayer works perfect for riding, but I'm gonna try out this medium mod for in the shop. And y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think of the audio on this one. So I'm gonna pop y'all in time warp for all the boring stuff. So let's get to it. Got the passenger side left A-arm out. I ain't never changed these before, so I'm learning myself, guys. Alright, so we got these. See what all came in this kit. Let's figure out where those go. It didn't come with instructions. Interesting. And these. So, just wanted y'all to see. Alright. Hope I ordered the right kit. But, alright, back to time warp. guys, as y'all can see. This right here, that I'm not going through all that. That one in there doesn't seem mushroomed out, and it's still swiveling okay. So I'm not going to change that out. But this kit says it was for a full kit, but it's only got enough, looks like, just for the tops or one side. I'm kind of, that's $50. I thought it was the whole kit. Well, we'll see. All right. Well, guys, I didn't pay attention to the description. It says front lower and front upper ×2, but there's only enough to do one side. So, but it said ×2. Motorless, whatever brand that is. So I can't complete all this. Kind of upset at myself. But I did get this, the top ones done here. Well, they're, as you can see, I got these top ones in. As I was saying before, I'm not fighting that. Especially probably this fall, I'm gonna get new A-arms. But the ones that were in there weren't mushroomed out, and that's tight with these. So, but anyway, this kind of aggravated me a little bit. So I'm just going to change out the top ones from now, then I'll order another set and change the bottom ones out. So, because the top ones were the worst. These got a little play in them, but not like these did. Show y'all what, that's what came out of it. They're just all kind of wonky. They're tight now. So, but anyway, you live and learn, guys. It says front lower and front upper ×2. Should have read the description more. They had another one on eBay that said 4 sets. And I guess I should have got that one. That was 80 bucks or 85. But I'll order this kit again. It just won't be today. It'll be next week. Alright, well, we're going to do the other side now. I don't know what I'm thinking. Finally got them both in. That took a little finagling. Hang y'all up a little bit. That took a little finagling. That wasn't fun at all. But now put these on. Where's the other one? There you are. So, like I said, I should have paid attention. It said upper and lower ×2. That's not what it meant. So, but I got the uppers changed, put new bushings in them. So, it's gotta be more gooder. Oh me. Hoo-wee. Whoop, 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 whoop. Yeah, that's about 3 Ugga Nuggas. So, those are tight, but those don't feel bad. That right there, my new shop bushings. That one up there ain't moving, just that one. So I'll put that in the cart too, doggone it. Well, it's got new upper bushings. So on to the next part. On to the other part of this video, change out the rear master cylinder. So yeah, we'll get right into that too. I done worked up a pretty good sweat. So hey, remember y'all, let me know in the comment what y'all think of the media mod doing my shop videos. Is it better audio, sound quality? You know, put it in the comments. Alright guys, if I can get in here and get this off. I got that part taken off, got to get it unhooked from this clevis right here. I think that's what you call it. But alright. I guess we can all agree that was a whole lot easier to deal with than those bushings on the May arms. Show you what was happening. It was leaking right out of here, so that O-ring, yeah, that O-ring up in there is probably bad. But this one is not OEM. That's probably another Chinese and So yeah, there's no markings on it. Yeah, I think this is a Chinese one. So yeah, I'd have to concur. But we got a new one on it. If I get another season out of it, I think it's money well spent. So and while I had this apart, I adjust this up because before it was way up here. Now it's down here. So let me grab an 8mm and some .4, and I put this stuff around here, some of that fireproof foot something. Oh crap! I done forgot the name of it. But anyway, it's supposed to help keep the heat. So I'll make sure that stays up in here. Keep the heat off that head pipe. Maybe just a little bit more protection there. Let's see what we look like. Yeah, let me get y'all set up over here. Woohoo! Now, yeah. Well, maybe right in here. To looking at the pipe. I'll get it figured out in a second. So, I'm gonna grab an 8mm .4. I don't know what I did with my little hose. I had one. It is what it is. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's all brand new too. See that way y'all can see. Let me set this camera up a little higher. This is just kind of raw, y'all. I am by no means a Michael Sabo. I ain't no garage MC or a stupid fast John. I'm just doing this myself. All right. Hold on a second, guys. Let's see, can y'all see? Yeah, here we go. Now, I've already got some in it, so I like to do about 3 pumps. And my understanding is you don't stop at the very bottom, right before it. Then you shut this back off. So, 1, 2, 3, just for the bottom. Just crack that open. Alright, let's close it back. Oh yeah, I like it. Good and tight. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3. One, two. One, two. Starting to get a little dribble. Oh yeah. Hey! That was 4, but just getting it there. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's popping and gurgling.
Yeah, way out here.
Oh, no. Well, guys, I'm fixing to get shot in the ass.
Yeah. Here. Here.
Get it. Yeah, I'm getting shot in the ass, that's for sure.
Get on my motorcycle.
It did not get on your motorcycle. I don't know if that's gonna stay on there or not. I don't know where my other little tube went. I don't see no more air bubbles, do you? One more bleed. Alright. I think we got it, guys. I think that did it right there. Right there. I got rear brakes. All right. Well, on to the next part. All right, guys. I got it all buttoned back up. Rear master cylinder is installed. I got rear brakes. Nothing's leaking. I should have read the description a little bit better. It said upper and lower A arms times 2. Nope. So I changed the upper on each side. I'll get the bottom ones at another time, but yeah, got it. It sounds pretty good too. I say it sounds, but now it's squeaking. Me likey. But yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna get this thing all pressure washed up and looking good, and I'm gonna just mess with my tow rods, get my alignment a little bit better. I think it's off a little bit. Something going on this side. It's pointing in more than the other. But alright, so you should see a video here and here and here. And to be continued.